May we call in our Regional Chief Administrative Division, Fire Superintendent Rafael F. Anito, ma'am, to introduce and read the brief history of our esteemed honoree.
It is an honor and privilege to stand before you today as we gather to celebrate a truly remarkable individual, Fire Superintendent Gladys Cua. After 25 years of dedicated service in the Bureau of Fire Protection, Fire Superintendent Cua is embarking on a new chapter of life, retirement. Throughout her career, she has been a shining example of hard work, commitment, and passion. Her journey began in the fire service on December 6, 1999 as a Fire Officer 1 and was promoted to Fire Inspector through lateral entry on August 11, 2008. During her time in the Bureau, she has achieved numerous milestones, including significant accomplishments. She also engaged in various roles such as Chief Dental Service, Chief Personnel Section, Chief HRM Section, Acting Chief Admin Division, and Acting Chief Plans and Programs Division. Her leadership and expertise have not only guided her colleagues, but also inspired them to strive for excellence. In addition to her professional accomplishments, she has fostered a sense of community inside the workplace and is well known for her kindness and unwavering support for colleagues. She was always willing to lend a sympathetic ear or provide words of encouragement. As she embarks on a new journey, we are thrilled for all the new adventures that await her, even though we will definitely miss her presence and wisdom in the office. Thank you for your incredible service and dedication, Fire Superintendent Gladys S. Cua. We wish you all the best in the next chapter of your life.
Thank you, ma'am, for that wonderful, engaging, and insightful narration of the life and accomplishment of our esteemed honoree in the fire service. And now, may we kindly request the presence of our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan A. Cabot, sir, to join us for the formal reading of the retirement order.
Republic of the Philippines, Department of the Interior and Local Government, Bureau of Fire Protection, National Headquarters, Agham Road, Barangay Bagong Pag-asa, Quezon City. Date, 17 April 2023. Special Order Number, Romeo Eco Tango, 2023-022. Pursuant to Section 39 of Republic Act 6975, otherwise known as the DILG Act of 1990. The following BFP officers, personnel, upon attaining the age of 56, shall be compulsorily retired from the Bureau of Fire Protection, effective on the dates indicated. To wit, Chief Inspector Cua Gladys Suarez, date of light duty status 010 August 2024. Date of retirement 10 December 2024 with a long pay of 5 and a retired rank of superintendent. By command of the Chief BFP, signed Manuel Emanuel, Chief Superintendent DEC, the Acting Chief Directorial Staff, conferred by Renato B. Campos, Chief Superintendent DEC, BFP, Director for Personnel and Records Management.
Round of applause, please. Thank you, sir. We would like to respectfully request the presence of our Acting Regional Director, Fire Senior Superintendent Richard V. Erbotante, sir, and our esteemed honoree, Fire Superintendent Gladys S. Cua, ma'am, to join us here at front as we move forward with the ceremonial retirement of the badge. Fire Superintendent Gladys Escua, upon taking the oath and assuming your office, you were endowed by both the people and the law with authority of a firefighter. The BFP badge affixed to your left chest serves as a representation of the legal authority. Each placement close to your heart serves as a constant reminder of the loyalty and commitment to duty that is expected of you as a public servant. This badge was entrusted to you as a symbol of your merit as a fire officer, granting you the power and responsibility to prevent, suppress fires, investigate its causes, respond to emergency, and enforce the law impartially on behalf of the citizens of this nation. You are tasked with overseeing the general welfare of the community, ensuring public safety through the prevention and suppression of all forms of destructive fires at all times. You are aware that a firefighter is trained to quickly assess situations and take prompt action to save lives and property. At the heart of your badge lies the Malta Cross, an emblem of knighthood symbolizing protection. It embodies honor, courage, and pride, representing the core value of the fire service in its mission to save lives, safeguard properties, and extinguish destructive fires. A round of applause, please. Thank you, ma'am, for the many dedicated years you have devoted to the fire service. Your commitment and sacrifice have made a profound impact on our community and are deeply appreciated. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. After a long and dedicated service to our community, Fire Superintendent Gladys Escua will be honored in a heartfelt ceremony that includes a traditional shower and a final call-out. This event will be conducted by the Blue of Carmen Fire Engine, recognizing the significant contribution and unwavering commitment displayed throughout her service. Fire Superintendent Gladys Escua, this is your final call-out as a firefighter of PFP 10. Since joining the fire service exactly 25 years and 4 days ago, your numerous contributions, achievements, and steady leadership have made our agency an amazing organization to be part of. It is with the greatest honor and gratitude that we, your fire family, wish you and your family all the best in your retirement. Thank you so much for your dedication and service to the BFP and to the people. Our snappiest salute on your special day, ma'am. Congratulations on your retirement. Let us all give a round of applause. Another round of applause, please. Thank you once again, ma'am.